Okay. So constants is basically they are not going to change. Those things you can place under this constants class. See, we can make all of them final, public, static, final. And you can see even I declared a collection also. Right? A collection also you can declare. And all string objects. So login page fraction URL, account page fraction URL, registration sheet name, test data file path, my account page title, your account created successfully, message, your account created a header, your account logout page title, already registration account error message. So forget password page title, home page title, login page title, registration page title. So these are not going to change. That's why we declared as a constants. If something which is not going to change, you keep in the constants and you can call that constant name. If tomorrow changes also, you can just come and replace in this file the value. You don't need to change, the variable name, because where the variable only will call, not the value. So that's the maintenance is going to be very easy if you prepare like this. Okay. So that's the one thing. Let's go to JavaScript utils. So all the JavaScript related. So if you want to handle JavaScript utils means JavaScript executor, how you are going to use in this. That's what this JavaScript executor means. So JavaScript utils contains all the JavaScript related methods. So how we are going to use them. So that is what we are going to discuss here. And okay. First one, see the class, whatever you want, you can give. So there is no problem at all. But private WebDriver, public. So constructor we are creating, WebDriver, this dot driver equal to driver. So you must create a parameterized constructor for a driver because we need a driver here. That's why we are declaring one variable. And then flash, you want to highlight element. Already we have seen, right? So JavaScript executor JS equal to JavaScript executor of driver. So JS dot execute script, arguments of 0 dot set attribute, style background, yellow border. So border is a solid by pixel red on this element. You want to scroll, see, highlight on that element. So wait for some time, then so now you don't need to see that this highlightation. Then you can so take out that highlightation with this same method. You can see same method, but you have to give first JavaScript code. This is the first parameter is a JavaScript code. So you can change the color, whatever the color you want, you can change. How can you change? String color, web element, and which element you want to change. So this is the JavaScript executor, js.execute script, arguments of 0.style, background color. So whatever the color you can see the variable I'm parameterizing, single quote, double quotes, plus color, plus this one. Then, so you close this one. And then on which element you want to change the color. So that element also we are giving here. Try thread.sleep, catch interrupted exception. So that's how to change the color for particular element. The background color we are changing basically. So get title by JS, go back by JS. So let's see get title by JS. How can you do? JavaScript executor JS equal to JavaScript executor of driver. So JS dot execute script return document dot title dot toString. So you are getting C return document dot title. This is the JavaScript executor. Okay, so JavaScript executor toString. So go back by JS. So JS dot execute script history dot go -1. History dot go -1. So it will go back. Go forward by JS. History dot go 1 if you go, it will go forward. So if you want to refresh, history dot go 0 if you do, you will go, it will refresh the browser. So you can call these methods, or you can call driver dot navigate method dot back, forward, or refresh. Those methods also you can use. Both are doing the same thing. So generate alerts. So you want to give some alert. JS start execute script alert, and the message, what message you want to put in the alert. So this is the alert message. Generate confirm pop-up. Generate confirm pop-up. So string message JavaScript executor JS. So JavaScript executor of driver. So JS start execute script confirm message. Confirm message. So this one. Public string get page inner text. Get page inner text. And JavaScript executor JS equal to JavaScript executor of driver. Again, so this is the general interview questions. How can you get the inner text of a page? So this is how you can get. So JS dot execute script return document dot document element dot inner text. So dot toString. Basically, you're converting to toString because this method has to return a string object. So this is the interview question. Make sure you know this. And send case using so with ID. How can you send a case with ID? How can you click an element by JS? See, JS start execute script arguments of 0 dot click. So on this element. So public void send keys using with ID. ID string value. So JavaScript executor JS equal to JavaScript executor of driver execute script document dot get element by ID. So pass the ID dot value, and this value you are typing. So that is how to type. Scroll down, and you can just scroll down. Window dot scroll to 0. Document dot body dot scroll height. So our particular height you want to scroll. So execute script of window dot scroll to 0. and then which height you want, you can give that height. And scroll page up. So execute script of window dot scroll to document dot body dot scroll height 0. It will scroll up. Scroll into view, arguments of 0 dot scroll into view true, and this element. So draw border, you can draw the border also. So like this, arguments of 0 dot. For everything is a JavaScript executor. Why we are using? Because to execute any JavaScript code, if you want to execute any JavaScript code, so we are going to use JavaScript executor interface. And that object reference dot execute script method. That is the main method you have to use to execute any JavaScript code. These are all JavaScript codes. So arguments of 0 dot style dot border equal to 3 pixels solid red. So on this element, add new tab. So this dot execute script window dot open. You can open a new tab. So these are all the methods, but anywhere if you're going, okay, so any company you go, first you need to understand what are all the methods are there in this framework. So any Selenium methods and your company framework methods are changing, maybe some name change, and you have to see so which one you need to use. Obviously you need to use framework methods only. So direct methods you are not allowed to use. So then let's go to time utils. So we have less time, we'll finish that. Okay. See, if you just, you can give a time utils. You can declare the static final variables, default timeout, small timeout, 1000 milliseconds. So this one, medium timeout, 5000 milliseconds, large timeout, 10,000, extra large timeout, 20,000. So small wait, you can call directly method. So this is the static method, right? Class name dot this static method wherever you want. So you can see we're using thread dot sleep only. Instead of using directly, we are just calling this method. So that the logic implementation will happen in the function. Then you can call wherever you want this method. Same medium wait, try catch blocks, thread dot sleep, medium timeout, large wait. So try catch block, thread dot sleep, large timeout, interrupted exception, e dot print status, extra large wait. So thread dot sleep. So apply wait, you want for your time. So that time you want to wait. So this one you can use. So just these methods, wherever you want, you can use some wait time. This is all thread dot sleep, remember, hard sleep. So how many seconds you specified, that many seconds it will wait there only. It won't move further until it completes. Okay, so that's it. We'll see remaining things tomorrow. WebDriver. This is the main important. This is the main important one, and we'll see main these things. Then we'll start writing the test cases. So once these are done, we'll go for pages, then test cases. Then we'll implement first pages. Then we'll write a up pages. We can write a test cases. Okay.